Hi, I'm Martin from Dent-Remover, and today's repair is on a BMW 140i. Now, it's not the biggest dent in the world, in fact it's tiny, but where it is, it's on the roof, it's quite difficult to repair. So what I need to do is remove the roof liner so I can get a bar in to repair this. Let's go and take a look. Tiny little dent in the roof there. Got a tiny bit of a mark in the middle of it. What's happened, the stones come off the motorway and just knocked onto the roof. So we can't really glue pull it like I say, but what we need to do is take out the roof liner, or at least just take these trims off, and then we can pull the roof liner down slightly and get a bar straight in underneath it. So that's what we're going to do. So it's a bit harder to see in here because it's quite a dark car, but you have to take this quarter trim off. Some nice little clips there, so it just pops off. Maybe best pulling this out of the way, and then you've got two clips there and one just a bit further down. Get the torch in there. Can you just see it, little white thing down there? So you're best off getting your trim tool in this way and just twisting it, and then you can get the trim tool in that way and you can lever it off, and it makes this loose. And you just wiggle it down. That's it, and then it'll come out the way. So taking out both grab handles and the B post and the A post and the sun visor, we can now, we've got enough to play with, so we can put the bar through there. Okay, and then if we have a look, there we go, straight in there without damaging the roof liner. Okay, so let's take a look now. That's where it was. So two little marks, just where the light is. We use the inspection board for our quality control to pick out any panel imperfections. If there's any dents, ripples, then the reflections of the lines will be distorted. But as you can see, there's no distortion on this panel. Well, that's it. Thanks very much for watching the video. Certainly not the biggest dent we've ever repaired, but still just shows you what's involved. Even though it's a small dent, we do need to strip some panels. If you like the video, it'd be great to get a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, it'd be great to get you on board. But for now, thank you very much. See you later.